on the page behind me as well. Now, to introduce the order of proceedings today and to give us a bit of context, I am pleased to introduce to you the person who's been leading the National Centre for Learning Welsh for 2 years now. I'm sure she's a familiar face for most of you in this room. So please provide a very, very warm welcome to the Chief Executive, Dona. Good morning, everybody. It is an honour to welcome you all at the beginning of this important conference about the Welsh language and exciting developments of it. Thank you very much to the Cabinet Secretary for Finance and the Welsh language for his opening speech and for setting his clear vision for the future. It's wonderful to have the room so full today, and I really, really hope you enjoy the full programme that we've put together for you. As Betsan mentioned, I'm Dona, I'm Chief Executive of the National Centre for Learning Welsh. I've lost my voice today, so I will be shouting into the mic, I'm afraid. And we are holding this conference today jointly with Welsh Government with the aim of providing you with important information on learning and procurement of language. Since its existence in 2016, the Centre's activity has been based on the language learning continuum, which sets a clear learning path for adults. This methodology has been successful, and along the years we've seen massive growth, with more people than ever before learning Welsh. In 2023-24, we had the highest number ever completing our courses, over 18,000 people, including young people between 16 to 18 years old, families and carers, workforces, and community and online activity as well. We are very pleased to be able to share our experience and expertise in using the CEFR framework as the basis to our curriculum and all the Centre's activities, and you'll hear a bit more about that throughout the day. We are also pleased with the acknowledgement of the success of the Centre's work and the important contribution we can make to the future as our work transitions over to the Institute for Learning Welsh. The Welsh language belongs to us all, and at the Centre we feel strongly that we need to ensure that Welsh is available to all, that various language skills are acknowledged, and that we encourage use and instill confidence in people to use whatever Welsh skills they've got. And the Act provides an exciting opportunity to establish a learning Welsh strategy for all ages. In organising today's conference, it's important for us to look outside Wales at countries who celebrate bilingualism and who work on the same common framework, which is the CEFR. And we will hear from contributors from different countries about their work in developing language learning strategies and how the common framework has been the basis of that, as it has been to the work with Learning Welsh for Adults here in Wales. There are also innovators in Wales in the field of education and the world of work who are already making massive strides in using the CEFR framework, and we'll discuss how that can help the work that needs to be done in light of the new Act, and how we can work with each other, share expertise and plan together to ensure the success and ambition of the Act. Our first guest speaker is an international expert in this field, Dona. Valdemar had planned to fly to Wales last night, but unfortunately the weather had different ideas, and all flights from Poland were cancelled. However, because of technology and the great staff at the Centre, we have made alternative arrangements, and we have managed to welcome Valdemar today over Zoom. We are really, really grateful that he's joined us during, I know, his very busy schedule, but also to be flexible and to join us virtually, despite all his challenges yesterday. Valdemar specialises in applied linguistics. He is an author, a trainer, and contributes internationally to this field. He will set the foundations for the day's discussions, explaining the source, purpose, status, method, content, and use of the common European framework of reference for language. I hope the start of the day will set the foundation of understanding of what the CEFR is, and as the Cabinet Secretary said, an underpinning theme throughout the Act.